Now, I truly didn't think that a glass cleaner could impress me, but we were sent this mean green ultra powered concentrate glass cleaner. This one's really surprised me, and I love my cleaners. The first time I used this, I noticed right away how clean it wipes. No cloudy residue, no streaks, and no having to go back over the same spot 10 times. It just works, like seriously. What I really like is that it's a refillable concentrate, so you're not constantly buying new bottles or wasting money. A little bit goes a very long way, and once you mix it, it's just as strong as the regular full-size glass cleaners I've used. I've tried it on my bathroom mirror, my glass stovetop, a couple windows, and even the microwave door. As you can tell here, I'm using it on the china cabinet. Everything has come out super clear. The smell is fresh without being overpowering, which I appreciate because some cleaners are so strong they give you a headache. This is clean and light, and honestly, I love how quick it works. If you're someone who wants to clean something and move on with your life, which is me, this is exactly that kind of product. Overall, it's simple, effective, budget-friendly, and definitely a cleaner I'll keep using. Sometimes the basic products end up being the best ones, and this is one of them.